Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. How are you? I hope you are enjoying the best of health. I welcome you in my class, that is English for grade 3. We are learning Unit 5. Its title is Safe Environment. My dear fellow teachers, this lesson plan, PowerPoint presentation and worksheet links are given. You may click it, download it, follow it as it is or modify it for your convenience. I'm going to deliver my lecture according to this lesson plan. Yes, my dear students, today we'll continue and complete reading and comprehension of this unit. And before this, we have practiced to use pre-reading strategies to predict a story by looking at the picture in the text. And today, once again, we are going to learn to use post-reading strategies, means after reading, to respond to the text applying word knowledge. So whatever you know, you will use that knowledge and you will add your own opinion to the text read. Make a list of items, for example, vocabulary required for a given task. These are our today's SLOs. Let's start with the name of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Allah mentions in Quran, Surah Al-Baqarah, verse 11, do not spread corruption in the land. Yes, my dear students, as we discussed yesterday, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala is stopping us to make our land dirty. So to keep our environment, our earth safe is a command of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Okay, so beta, whatever we do, wherever we are, at our home, at our school, at a park, at a road, we should keep our environment clean. This is our duty. Okay, so few things we read yesterday and today we are going to read further. Before that, tell me, what is the paper made up of? Yesterday we talked about it. Do you remember? And why can't we recycle plastic cutlery? We'll read about it today, but what do you think? Pause the video, answer these questions to your teacher and then come back. Yes, my dear students, I hope you remember paper is made up of wood pulp, right? We read about it yesterday. And recycle means to use again, reuse. Why we cannot reuse plastic cutlery? You discuss your own opinion. You just told to your teacher. Now let's see what your book says about it. So all of you open your book on page number 33. From this very point, the advantages of using cloth bag, we are going to read the text. So what are the advantages? Means what are the benefits of using cloth bags? Here we go. Number one, they can be recycled. They can be used again and do not pollute the environment, right? Number two, they can be reused over and over again, because we know cloth we can wash, and with every wash your bag is again new, right? Number three, they can carry more things because it's strong. Nah? Your cloth bag is stronger than plastic bag or than a paper bag. That's why. And the most important thing is your environment friendly. It does not make any pollution, because beta, if we after using a plastic bag, when we throw it, it does not decompose, and wherever it goes, it spread the pollution. That's why which bag we should prefer? A cloth bag, and these are the advantages of using cloth bag. We should use cutlery made up of bronze, copper and ceramic. Okay, so whenever it comes to cutlery, we should use bronze, copper and ceramic, and we cannot recycle plastic cutlery because plastic, we cannot recycle it. Why we cannot recycle? We'll discuss about it. Why we cannot recycle plastic cutlery? We just talk about it. So let's see. We cannot recycle plastic cutlery. It is too polluted. Better, because how do we recycle the things? When it comes to plastic cutlery, we just melt it and make it again. So when we melt plastic, it already contains many polluted articles in it, and when you use it again, all the polluted things are with those things. That's why we should prefer metal cutlery than plastic one. Okay, It is also not good for health. So when you use it again and again, so it means you are every time you are taking germs with this cutlery. Plastic release harmful chemical in high temperature or heat. So whenever you use it on high temperature, it releases harmful chemical, okay, which are not good for our health. Items should be made of the material that can be recycled. So beta, recycling is a very wise thing. That's why whatever we are using, we should think about it, that material is recycled. Is it recyclable? So it means we are smart. This is because plastic can take hundreds of years to decompose. So when we use plastic bag, it will not be decomposed. As I told you, it will take hundreds of years. It means for a long time, it will remain in our environment and it will keep making our environment polluted. And we have very limited landfill space. What does landfill mean? Beta, space where you dump your garbage. Our land, alhamdulillah, there is already a lot of population. So to spare space where you dump the garbage is already limited. And if we'll keep on increasing the garbage, what will happen? So it's a time to think. We should be smart enough to use things which are easily recycled. As one of the example is given is cloth bag. There are many other things where we should be smart enough to use the things which remains in use and which are good for our environment as well. Do you understand the concept? Okay. So that's it about reading. It's your time. Pause the video, read the text again, and then come back. Yes, my dear students, it's our activity time. What we are going to do now, teacher will divide class in groups and ask students to make list of items that can be recycled. Yesterday you observed things which can be recycled. Today in your classroom you are going to make a list, and for recycling what you'll keep in mind, things made up of cloth, bronze, copper and ceramics, and list of things that cannot be recycled like plastic. Okay, look around, think about the things, make a list in a group, discuss with your group fellows, make a list and show it to your teacher. Pause the video, enjoy the activity and then come back. Yes, my dear students, you are smart. Now you understand, beta, whatever we are doing, we should be mindful and we should be smart. All right. So here is the time for our comprehension. The text we read, these are the questions from that text. So pause the video, answer this question to your teacher, write the answers in your notebook and then come back. Yes, my dear students, are you done with it? Okay, I'm giving you a homework. You will plan a party for your family. Okay, party means a family gathering. Okay, so and make a list of items required for that party. So whatever you want to serve to your guests, what do you need for that? Make a list and show this list to your mama and bring this list to your teacher by tomorrow. And here is a worksheet, my dear fellow teachers. This worksheet, lesson plan, PowerPoint presentation, links are given. You may click it, download it, and kindly provide a printed worksheet to students for practice. So what we have learned today, we learned to use post-reading strategies to respond to the text, applying word knowledge and own opinion to the text read, and make a list of items, for example, vocabulary required for a given task. Are we done with it? Yes. So that's it for today. Tomorrow I'll come again with a very interesting lesson. Till that time, keep learning, keep practicing, and take very good care of yourself and your environment. Thank you and Allah Hafiz.